What's up, friends? It is so freaking amazing to see you again. If you are new to my channel, first off, welcome. I'm so honored to have you a part of it. And if you end up liking this video, please don't forget, subscribe, ring that bell. I really appreciate it and really helps my channel out. So let's go ahead and go straight into what this video is about. So me doing this a year, I've talked to a lot of companies. They offer to send me something. I tell them, okay, watch my channel first and know that I'm going to give an honest, no filter review if I like it, if I hate it, and the things about it. A lot of companies don't get back to me. Imagine that. This one was so freaking amazing. We spoke together. The company is absolutely sweet. The person I dealt with was absolutely sweet. And she told me, of course, be honest with your friends. I admire that, and that's what we want with this company, which I find so amazing and refreshing. Now, it is iMethod Beauty. You can find it on Amazon. Just go in the search bar, hit iMethod Beauty on there, and it will take you to all their products. This is going to be the stamp. So this is the box that it came in. It's really pretty packaging. And here are the stamps that you get. The thing I like about it is the writing says which side is for the right side of the eye and which side is the left side of the eye. And you get an eyeliner and it tells you which side that is. And each pin you get an eyeliner, which I think is absolutely amazing. So you're getting a lot of product here. Now the price. Let me, before I go over and tell you the price, let me show you this. I am going to use it on air and we're going to see how it goes for me. Hopefully it goes good. Now this price, it kind of ranges. It said on Amazon $20 retail, but then by me it had a slash mark that was on sale and it was for $13.97. It does come in two different sizes. It comes in 10 millimeters and 8 millimeters. It has two colors to it I saw, black and brown, and they do have a few ones that have star and a heart stamp if you want that as well. They're claiming this is going to be waterproof, smudge proof, long lasting. They say this is vegan and cruelty free. Thing about this as well, make sure when you're storing this to lay it flat because one side will end up getting dry and they want you to shake it before using it. So with that, let's go ahead and try this and hopefully I don't mess it up. Okay, let me go and see which one. So this is my left. And this is my right. Okay, so I'm gonna do the eyeliner first because when I tried it out one other time, I found it easier with an eyeliner already put on because I like to go like this and I didn't want to smudge it. So let's go ahead and throw the eyeliner on. And then if I need to make it thicker, I can go from there, but I kind of always go with the same kind of eyeliner. It's just I know what I like and I know what's flattering for me. And if I'm going to be able to pull this off, then you're going to be able to, because I have really shaky hands. I don't know all the caffeine I take. I'm sure that's not it. So this is the left. So let's go and hope for the best. And they said really press down on it. That one came out really good. I did pre-shake these so that you know, because I didn't want to take the time up doing that. Okay, that one I didn't like as much, but that was more me. Try this. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm just gonna touch up. And I'm sure as you use it more, you're gonna be able to just boop, and be a lot faster. That really looks pretty. That is amazing. And make sure you practice on a clean face so you will get the hang of it. So you don't want to be going to an event, going to work, and then practicing and then screw up your eye look. That's what I decided to do. Don't be me. I was going for my shift. I was in a hurry. I was like, all right, I want to try this out before my video tomorrow. So let me just throw this on. I rushed it, put it on, and I did not look the best for my shift, but there was nothing I could do. But then when I came home, I washed my face and then I kind of fiddled around with it to see how it works. So make sure you practice before you put it on a makeup look because you don't want to ruin it. Now I'm going to show you what I like about this. I've tried another eyeliner pen that came in one of my subscription boxes. I absolutely hated it. It did not work for me. I tried putting it in a gel. It was just awful. And I didn't think I was an eyeliner stamp person. That's why when they offered to send it to me, I'm like, I don't know because of that experience. And I'm glad I tried it. So we're going to do, here's the stamp. And the thing that I really like, I thought this was going to be too thick for me because this looks chubby as hell. I don't like to have a big line, so that scared me. It is not at all. So you can do thick. You can do thin. That is amazing. Let me see how thin I can go. You can go really thin. I like that a lot. So now I'm gonna really mark up my hand because after I'm done with my eyeliner, they say it's waterproof. I want to see if it is. So here it is. My hand's all marked up. So far, I'm really impressed. I'm going to let you see before I put mascara on. And that took seconds because I don't care how good I am. When I'm in a hurry, I can fuck up my eyeliner. And with this, in a hurry, I like it. There's less chance of me messing it up. So let me go throw some mascara on. I see a few things that I want to touch up. So like I said, I need to get better at this. Yeah, that's how I like it. So with mascara on, that is breathtaking. Now, I like that you can do it how you want. You can position it because not everybody's eye is going to be the same. What looks good on one person is not going to look good on you. Adjust it, see where you like it at, and then practice because the more you use it, the better you're going to get. Because the second time me putting this on my face, it looks a lot better when I took the time and wasn't in a rush and just try to slap it on there. That didn't end well for me. So being a second time putting this on my makeup, I think it looks fantastic. I'm really happy with it. Now let's go ahead and see if it's dry. I'm gonna make sure. Okay, so it says it's smudge resistant. I am rubbing the heck out of my hand. You can see my fat jiggle. And nothing came off of my hand. You can see nothing of it smudged. Now, I want you to see me dunk it, because I don't want to sit there and splash a little water on it and be like, oh, it's fine. We're going to test this mother out. So here we go. Here's my water. Here's my hand. And we're going to place it in there. So with you wearing it, you're not going to get this wet unless you're swimming with it. So if it can last this may be an epic fail. Let's see. Look at this. That is amazing. You saw me dunk it. So wearing this throughout the day, this is definitely waterproof. I expect it to smear all over my hand. That is freaking crazy. So I think that you should go run to Amazon and type the iMethod Beauty in the search bar, because you're gonna love this. I'm so impressed. I can't wait to practice more, because I don't have to think about doing my wing eyeliner anymore. This just took time off of my day. And as a mom, I will take every second I can, because my to-do list is always way too big. I add way too much stuff on there, and there is not enough hours in a day. But since we are done with this video, I want to send out a big thank you to iMethod Beauty for wanting me to review your item and allowing me to be honest. I appreciate it, and I look forward to working with your company more. I want to make it very clear, I'm not making any money on this. This is my honest opinion. They just sent this out free for me. So with that, we made it to the end of the video. If you stuck around, you guys are freaking amazing. I love you to pieces. But let's go ahead and take the star of the show, fur baby time. Here we go. You want to say hi to all our friends? Yes. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you guys.